Alright, we are here behind Shokoff, and Gene is with me, and he has spotted here D2. We're going to start our morning with her, and she has caught something, little bird, looks like, and is eating it. Gene. So there's this sort of small building behind Shokoff. So while we're looking at her, I'm going to call Keys. Where is the other one?
One's right on the legend.
Yep.
On the gateway.
Oh, I see.
That's pretty sure that's
Hey, how
true.
are ya? Good. So, did you get the thing? The live stream? I sent you an email. Okay, good. So, did you put it up? Okay, awesome. So, we have D2 here. Caught looks like a little bird. Oh boy, she's really interesting. Let's try to. We're gonna try to zoom in on her if I can. Well, before we do that, I want to show you guys. Actually, we have this one here, which Jean believes D3, and she's she's talking to her sister. You can hear her. You hear her, Keys? She's very cute. Yep, so, and she's on the back of Shokoff. There's like this sort of rim ledge on the lower part, or a little bit below the top. She's a very nice little song there. So, we're gonna go. Okay, good, so. Okay. And we're gonna, oh, wow. All right, so let's see. I'm gonna try to get that in focus as much as possible. Oh, no, not that. Well, it's actually not bad. Oh, that is not good. Boy, sometimes this, oh, I tell you, the digital zoom focus is marginal. You'll have to let me know, Keys, how that is. Oh boy. Oh yeah. Looks like she's gonna finish whatever that was. Oi, that's a pretty good sized bird there, Jean, no?
Yes, it is.
She get a pigeon?
I'm not sure. I see her head.
Oh,
and then
Keys,
I see
do you see
carry
her?
it back up onto the roof line. I didn't get close enough. I was way the other side of Crescent Lot where I saw her head up.
Oops. Oh, I bet you that's awkward, that plastic for her to land on. Do you see it, Keys? Hey, Keys? Did I lose you? Uh-oh. Oh. Oh, there you are. Okay. Oops. Is it...
Nope.
Oh. I see. Is it... The focus isn't very good, is it? Okay. Ooh. Oh boy. This is gonna be yummy. Oi. Ooh. Oh, wow. Boy, it's amazing how much they can eat like in one bite, right? Ooh. Bye-bye birdie, I guess. Right? There goes that one. Oi.
All right, break out the Tums. You're going to have heartburn.
Yeah, oh, good. Yeah. Yeah, so just so everybody knows, I did, Keys let me know that he hadn't really seen anything this morning or heard. So I did just when I got off at the Kennedy there, I did a quick look at Kennedy Knoll and didn't see anything or hear anything. And then I headed sort of through ILR Barton that way and didn't see anything. And then I met up with Jean here. Jean's here with me this morning, and Jean spotted these two and steered me over in this direction. So we're looking at D2 right now. Oh boy, she's still eating some of that, isn't she? Well, this girl's she's not gonna be hungry.
You sat around all day doing nothing.
I mean, she's making up for lost time, I guess. Is the focus okay? Okay. All right, I tried to. Oh, everybody says hello, Jean.
Hi, y'all.
Hopefully you heard Jean.
Good morning, people.
He says good morning.
I'm busy.
So let's just take another little peek over here and see our sibling, if I can find her. There's D3. We believe she's still singing to her sister. Just share a little, please. Save a little for me. And then we'll go back here. Yeah. Yeah, Keith says not likely to happen. Oh, where is she? Oh, that's odd. Oh, darn. Okay, sorry, guys. Oh, crying out loud. There we are. Didn't think I was. Oh, okay. I don't think we've seen D1. Oh, who's that? Somebody's lost him. I think somebody may have just taken off from the smokestack, if I'm not mistaken. But I didn't look there soon enough. And I'm not sure where the bird is now. Oh, is it all gone? Oh, here she comes. Watch, here she comes. Oh, well, she's, okay, so, oh boy. Let's go up here. Is right here, looking down on her. That, we believe, is D3. So there's the building, the roof is a little higher where D3 is sitting. And we'll go down, and we'll go back to D2. Oh. Yes. Yep. D2. Oh boy, I bet you that plastic is really difficult to stay on. Oh. Man. This tripod, I can't leave it. I have to hold it, otherwise it drops. And I can't get it right where I want it. So anyways, oh, she is cute, isn't she? Oh, you guys will see her. Hoppy. Oh, she must be done. She doesn't have anything left in her, I don't think. Ah.
D1 finally showed up, huh?
Oh, what's that? Leftover? Oh, that's a stick, I think. You see D1?
Yep.
Where's he, Gene?
Up in the window up there.
Up in the...
Right straight off of the
Oh.
Straight up. And 3 is over here on top of the building now.
Oh, God, she's cute, isn't she?
All 3 together.
Yep, so Jean's right. We have all 3 here. I'm gonna... D3, Jean?
Yeah.
Tried to land on D2, looks like, and she sort of fell off. Oh, we might have another... Oh, okay, so both... Well, sorry, I missed my opportunity to show you D1, but both siblings are right below.
Where'd you go?
They're right behind, down on the ground. So they're... At least that's what it looked like.
Cool.
So we're going to stay on her. Although, you know what? Let's see. Oh, geez, she's cute.
Fall on her tail.
Yeah, so both of the siblings are down on the ground below her.
Oh, we're gonna pick up some feathers and launch around. Yeah, sick bird.
She's got, I guess, some leftovers up there. Oh, she's got a feather. Are you gonna... You silly. Oh, okay. So here's one of you can see. Who's that? Do we think that's D3? Again, Jean? Or is that D1?
I gotta see the leggings. Oh, man.
Jean's gonna try to identify that bird, and maybe you guys will see.
The tree.
Oh,
Oh, yeah, D3, go back.
we're gonna go back here. Oh, there we go. Oh, yep. Oh boy, she even wants the feathers. She thinks she wants them. Oh,
A little bit of meat left.
she's really using her tootsies, isn't she? You guys, I don't think you probably can hear it on the iPhone, but Jean and I hear it's like click, clack with their talons on the roof. You know, it reminds you when your, cats or dogs' nails are too long, you know what I mean? And they need to be clipped. She's like tap dancing up there.
That's 3 on the roof right now.
Oh, okay, all right, so that was 3. Oh, wait, where'd the bird go that was on the rim?
Back down into the tree out back.
Oh, wait, so, you think this is D3 now?
This is 3 on the roof now.
Oh.
D2 flew down, D3 took her place.
Okay.
And
All right.
1 and 2 went. They're out there somewhere.
Okay, guys, so my mistake here. This now is D3. Maybe you agree with that? So D2 must have, when D3 came down and sort of landed right near her, she must have been the one that flew down, and then D3 stayed on the roof.
Yep, there's light spots on the leggings.
Got it. So D3 is trying to get any leftovers.
To the right a little bit, see what's over here.
Yeah, I'm wondering if we can get those guys on the... You let me know if you see them. Gene's going to go around and see if he can spot the 2 that went down toward the ground, and if so, I'll head over that way.
We're in the pine tree behind the marching band building.
Oh.
3's still up here hogging. Here comes one of them.
Oh.
Oh,
All right.
back up the tree. They're out there playing around in those pines out back.
Okay. Is the focus okay, Keys, or... Okay. All right, so D1 and D2 are in the pine trees, so you see part of them. They're behind where D3 is here now. So I think we'll stay on D3 for a little bit longer here, and then we're going to go. Do you think we can?
Yeah, right where the pine, see the wing flash up there? One of them's right directly up, not even that far above D3. Every once in a while you'll see a wing flash.
Oh.
Playing a balancing act. I think that's D1. D2, I think, is our D2. D2 is on the left and the second pine over.
All right, I'm going to walk over here. I'm not sure. So she's to the right of D3?
Right straight up over D3. You can just see him once in a while flip the wing up. Playing a balancing on the pine bar.
Yeah, I think she's... Oh, yeah, good. Okay, so you guys could see that little hop. That was just so cute. Oh, good. I'll behave myself. I won't comment. Good morning, hubby. This is D3 eating leftovers. D2 did another catch. She's definitely got this down now, and she's got a full belly. And D1 and 2, this is D3, right? And D1 and 2 are behind in the pine trees, but boy, they are hard to see. Oops. Oh. She's... You guys should just hear these little talons click, click, click. Oh, man. She's trying to decide what she wants to do, I think. All right, she says, I guess that's it. That's it for me. Oh, you did? Oh, great. All right, so you know what? I think, oops, I'm going to zoom. Oh, sorry. I knew she was going to take off.